Wow.
See you later, sucks.
See you there, Stinky.
Huh, T12? You love your wife?
1 ace.
I bet you haven't had sex in at least a month.
One ace. 1 ace.
That one's false.
One
That's not an ace. Oh, okay.
1 ace.
I can do this all day.
Liar.
Oh,
Damn.
it's tough.
See y'all later.
Let's see if luck's still on my side. Huh. One queen.
Never had a chance.
That's cap. That's cap.
1 queen. 2 queens. 2 queens.
W's in chat.
1 queen. 1 queen. 1 queen.
Way too many queens.
1 queen. Liar.
You have no Who
Oh,
are you?
Son of a bitch.
Let me
Say
hear the opera.
Alberto.
Ain't shit. Ah. The real G's. Alright, you wanna play for honesty or no? What's in your hand? I'll tell you what's in my hand and we'll play that game. Let's see who's a real truther. I have a queen, ace, king, ace, king.
One queen.
That's an ace. We're gonna see how amnesty you got.
One
See if you
queen.
can be nice. Oh, okay.
Three queens. One queen. One queen.
This time I got it.
Liar.
I'm surprised you didn't call the 3.
Well, ain't my first rodeo. Phew.
I see. I played yesterday for the first time.
One king.
Yeah, I keep fucking up.
Liar.
Let's see what it is. Ah, fuck me. How you always got it? I think I might be in with
Let
this
me
one,
hear
boy.
the opera.
Peace out. What was your strat?